Our room fell down.
Say your name.
Nicholas.
Nicholas what?
Nicholas Trevor.
Okay. Where was your room? There. And who are those guys over there?
That's
I'm taking video.
My brother and my cousin.
Okay. And whose room is that in there?
What?
Is that a room in there? Or is that a playroom or something?
Yeah.
Playroom?
First aid kit.
Hey, that's a good thing to have. Good job. She's on the phone, I think. There's Amy down there, the homeowner. She's getting upset now. Mom's getting upset now. You can't blame her. This is unbelievable. Closing the trees. That's toward the south. That's the southeast. That's the path that came to this house, came to this neighborhood via the southeast, and it was moving north. Let's see, northeast. That's actually southwest. That's a correction there. That's the southwest where the direction in which the tornado came. And there's a neighbor. She's pregnant with twins down in the basement with us when this whole thing happened. And our ears were popping from the high pressure of the tornado directly hitting the house. The chimney destroyed. And she's in good spirits because she's still got those twins in her belly. And that's that's going to be the northeast right there. Direction northeast is what I went to Birmingham. I headed toward Jefferson County. I'm not sure if it hit Birmingham directly or not, but I'm not really caring about that right now. I'd kind of like to know what's coming this direction, if anything else, because this is not a good situation. Not a good situation. That would be the direction of University Mall. University Mall that way. Unbelievable. See, I've never experienced anything like this in my life. First time, the size of that tree right there just knocked down completely. Uprooted trees the size of houses over here. Alright, that's all for now.